What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
My newbies look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she's too scary.
Bro, are you trying to scam me? Like, what's going on? What do you mean you misplaced my package? If you are new here, my name is Yvonne and it's good to have you here. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But if you're not new here, it's even better to have you back. Welcome to a new vlog. I have so many things to do. I have to do something about my hair because it's not looking good. I just took it out. Like, I took my hair out yesterday. I have to be in the salon right now to be doing something about it, and it's currently 2:30ish, so I have to go, and then I have to also go to the store to get some food stuff and take my sheets to the laundry because it's so dirty. So I just got done preparing, and this is my outfit. I just a basic top with some sweats because I don't have any class today. I finished my midterm yesterday actually, so I just need time to reset and everything, so that is why I'm doing all these. And then for my hair, I think I'm going to do a scarf. This is giving auntie vibes. Like, no, I don't have any option. This is the only thing I have to wear or do about. Yeah, so this is what we are going to do with. So I'm going to just take my sheets out and then
only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
these are the things I'm taking. Don't mind the side, but these are the things. This is me right now, and my pet. Okay, I found it, so stay tuned.
Some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go try and get a little baby. In the meantime, it's the meantime.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
I just came back and there was actually a change in plans. The rain, because of the weather, the rain and everything, I wasn't able to go to the store to get the food stuff, but I went to the laundry, so I dropped off my things and then I got lunch. I got jollof actually because I don't have any food stuff to cook and I don't have any food, so that is why I did. Anyways, I don't know if you guys can hear me because of what's going on in the background, but something literally happened to me. I don't know if I should call it being scammed or what, but it was this app. It's a very popular app which people normally buy things from. And then I decided to place an order because I had an event this month. I still, like, the event is still coming on, but I'm not going again because of some things. But I have an event this month. I was supposed to go for an event this month in Accra. I'm currently in Kumasi, if you know. But I was supposed to go for this event in Accra, and I ordered heels for the event, and I ordered this cute clutch for the event. For some reason, I'm not going again, and the company the company for where I shop, they actually know when you place the order, I have to pay, and then you track the order and everything. I tracked the order, and then they were like, it's now in Accra, so I can go for it or anything, whatever. Then the company that was supposed to deliver it they called me and they said my package is ready, so they'll be delivering it to me, and the fare and everything. And I was like, oh okay, then I'll be waiting. Mind you, that was about a month ago. A month ago. And then the delivery guy, I kept on calling him and everything for like 2 weeks. He's telling me that he's not around where I am, so like when he comes he'll bring it. And I was like, you know what, just keep it, I'll come for it myself. This guy was like, no, this. At this point I thought I was being scammed. Like, I know I'm being scammed. I don't know if I'm being scammed or what, but he was like, he'll bring it, what. Then I left him for about 3 days, and then I called him back, and then he said he has delivered a thing to me. And I'm like, no, you've not delivered anything to me, because I've been calling you since, and then you are saying this. And he was like, oh okay, then maybe it's somewhere saying like someone's package. Then this Monday I called him, and I'm like, bro, like, what's up with that thing, what's going on? And he was like, it seems he has misplaced my package. I'm like, misplaced my package? Like, my first time buying from an app which I know is legit, and this is a bad impression, because I'm never going to order anything from that app again. Because what do you mean you misplaced my package? My package. That's fine. Then he was like, he's going to pay me whatever I misplaced and everything. Then I was like, are you sure of this? Like, are you going to pay me? He was like, yeah, I'm going to pay you. Like, how much was it? I was like, I mentioned the price to him, and he was like, oh okay, I should give him my tracking number so that he would track the order. And then whoa. And then he started bringing up the flood that happened in Accra. Bro, yeah, Kumasi, why are you bringing what? Fine. Then he was like, he would track the package and what and he was like, so how many items were inside? Mind you, it was 12 items that were in the package. And then he's not coming to lie to me that when he tracked the package it was 10 items and that's not the amount. I'm like, bro, are you trying to scam me? Like, what's going on? So right now when I call him, he doesn't pick my call actually. So I don't know if I'm still being scammed, or have been scammed, or I don't know. So this is a jollof I got from Bell's Kitchen. Actually, I'm not advertising, but I haven't tasted their jollof before. It's always bear with me, okay? I haven't tasted their jollof before. It's just a fried rice, but today, yes. So I'll see you guys when I'm going to do my hair, or sometime else.
Like a glance from the past, dark frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm let me tell something else got me questioning what you've done. You used to be out.
Good morning, guys. It's the next day, and I'm now going to do my hair. It's not me, like, you know, there was actually a whole lot happening yesterday. There was lights out, and then I slept, you guys. I slept after I finished eating, and then I woke up at 7 p.m. So, you know, plans were cancelled. So today I'm going to do my hair. Right now the weather is still not favorable, but we can do something about it.
Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity, full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I want to be around. You stuck warm with my heart, just think the empathy, so I could.
The lights had other plans actually. Right now I'm in rollers, but there's no light to dry the hair, so I have to wait for like some time before I'm able to, like, you know. Yeah, so
I'm letting down my blood. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if I wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. Can we no longer tell me how to fuck?
you guys, I see my hair, like, this is my first ever cornrow, and I don't know, should I wear a wig? Let's see. Wigs are not for me. wigs, they are not for me. I think I have to go to the shop to get some food stuff and then come and cook. Then I think I am done. So
Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think when my heart's in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let you true. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach.
it's currently 7 p.m. right now, and I came back like a couple hours ago and I cooked dinner. You guys, yeah, can you guys even see? Hold on. This is the paper. Yes, I cooked yam and egg stew, and also when I picked the laundry from the laundromat, yeah, they did something so cute. Like they wrote my name on it, like it was clean. So you don't even see like Yvonne, and then it's so cute. Like it's just me. Okay, maybe I've not done my laundry outside before, so yes. So I think I got pineapples for dessert. Should I say for dessert? I'm going to get a new phone. But I don't know, like maybe September, October. No, I guess September. Yes, I'm going to get a new phone actually. I think it's time for me to switch to an iPhone because I don't know, but I think I have to do it. And I was supposed to do my nails today, but things actually didn't go as planned. The nail tech I got, she was like, she does acrylic only. Yes, but I don't want acrylic, I want press-ons or organic nails. And then the other nail tech I got, her inspos aren't really that nice, I would say. So I think I'm going to end this video here. I have a little more of things to do. I have to pack this pile of laundry and then pack this pile of laundry too, and then also lay the sheets back on my bed, and I will be done for today. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and all the good stuff, and stay tuned for more. See you in my next vlog. Bye.
Feel like you're